And there we go, guys. All 3 points at the bridge. Come on, guys. Let's get it. Let's get into the match reactions, guys. Let's get into the match reactions, guys. Like lackluster once again, but we didn't give too much away. You know what I mean? We were MIA in the midfield, guys. MIA in the midfield. Don't get me wrong. Kobbie Mainoo had a good game. Right? Kobbie Mainoo had a good game. I don't want it to seem like I'm always out for Kobbie Mainoo or I'm always out for Casemiro or whatever. But guys, we need presence in the midfield. We need presence in the midfield, especially if we're going to be playing Champions League football. We need presence in the midfield. We need creativity in the midfield, guys. We're too static in midfield. But yet again, very nice display from Casemiro. Very nice display from Kobbie Mainoo. Very, calm in very tight spaces. You know what I mean? Bruno, yet again, man of the match. Apparently, the nigga 2 assists away from beating the all-time record for most Premier League assists. That's crazy. That's crazy. Guys, another chokehold. Another chokehold on top 4, guys. Yeah, we're definitely doing it. We're definitely in the Champions League, guys. I think we're safe at this moment in time. Now we need to look at the signings. Now we need to look at how are we going to better the squad to maintain Champions League, to maintain us being a constant presence up on that table. Come on, guys. Let's get it.